Pogi mga pajama nyo para makita.
Ano po?
Ito na. Wait. James, sunod mo na.
Ay, Diyos ko. Na-video ko yan, pare. Na-video ko yan.
He's gonna be on my back anyway.
Okay.
This gotta be the last one.
This has to be the last.
Are you allowed to practice now?
Bye, bye, bye. I got 10 seconds on that shit.
Ready? Ano yun? Dance! Looking around Christmas tree at the happy holiday. Never get never early and do the happy.
One.
Two. Ay, meron ba yan? Dali, dali. Ano ba yan?
God damn it! Come on! I'm good again.
Four.
Five.
Five. Oh, pasok, pasok, pasok. Pasok, 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 pasok.
20 seconds, man. Out. Okay.
No.
Oh, Felix. Out.
Saan sila bata?
Okay, next.
We did it now. We did it.
Yeah, they did it. Talaga nga naman. Ano ba yan?
Okay, fold it one more time.
Ano ba yan?
Ito matagal ang bilangan ito.
Oo, talagang ano, yung slot. Alam mo slot na ng animal?
Ano slot?
Ay, pwede ba yung sinabi ko?
Bas slot.
Ano ba? Ay,
Sabi mo slut.
ano ba dapat?
Slot.
Ah, slot. Ay,
Kasi pag sinabi mo slut,
ay, yung ano yun, isa yun.
yung asawa ni Max.
Hoy! Hoy! Naka-live kayo!
Naka-video ka, huy!
Naka-live na!
Edit na. Boss!
Ah! Sorry!
I'll lower the audio. Oh, may ipapost yun. I'll take care of the edit of that.
Oh my God! Itong pamilya talaga itong mga to.
Okay, practice.
Okay, practice!
Sian is just laughing.
Ang sakit na. Sumakit ang likod ko sa inyo. Diyos ko. Hindi nga ako naglalaro. Sumakit ang likod ko. Ano? Talo na kayo. Wag na kayo humabol.
Tagalin mo kaya yung medyas nyo. Mas madulas siya eh.
Oh, mas madalas pag re-pages eh.
Oh my God.
Wala sila, choice nila yun. Hindi ba? Yeah, kasi walang pages.
Okay.
Okay.
May, urong mo, May. Sister. Isipa mo muna baka matapakan nila Felix sa shoes. Anak, ano mo, urong mo nga yung shoes nung ano.
Like that.
Nico, kailangan pa ako all the way. Ayaw na sila na umayaw.
Disqualify.
Give up! Give up!
Sila na ang manang. O, sino na kaya? Tatlo na lang. Whose family? Yan yung sapatos ba?
Help us. Yan yung nasa winner.
Ay, guys, chinelas mo, nakakalat, matatapakan ni titaan.
So it's easier for us to see. Okay, now.
Line up. Straight. Up, spread, spread.
This is the last three remainders, okay?
Okay.
Wow.
Ready?
The last three standing. The last three standing. Parang siya nag-please.
Dance, dance.
Yes, everybody.
Strategy.
Come on, jump up. Ready? And go.
Three.
And go.
Para.
Four.
Uy, halo na pa. Five. Yay! Galing. Galing ni Nathan. Yes. Hindi na nila kinala. Nathan, and five. Nathan, yay!
Dalawang regalo.
Okay.
This.
Ah.
Okay.
Nice, nice.
Left.
Two more left?
2 prizes left.
Or two more ano pa?